Hello everyone, good evening from wherever you're watching this video from. Today I'll be doing like a review of last week and also projection for next week. But before I start, right, I've been getting a lot of requests saying that, hey, we need to learn fundamentals, right? We need to learn fundamentals. As you all know that there's two type of traders. There is technical traders and also fundamental traders. Basically, um, they work hand in hand together. But what really controls the market is fundamentals, right? And today I thought of sharing this platform that I use, to follow the fundamentals, follow the news, see what is going on, keep myself, updated so that I'm not losing out on opportunity, and also I'm not making the wrong decisions because you also want to follow the trend, right? You say following the trend is the best thing to do, right? Because you don't control the market. Retail traders don't really control the market. The folks that control the market are the banks and institutions, countries, policies, politics, everything is what really controls the market. So today I'll be taking you guys through this platform. It's called forexfactory.com. I found this platform almost a year ago. Basically, what it does is that, in fact, you can even, when you create an account, you can set a notification that, okay, for every news that comes to this platform, you are receiving it on your phone, right? So basically, when you open a new tab, just type forexfactory.com and you have this dashboard. Now there are 11,442 traders that are currently online. What are they doing online? They are checking and reading news. As you can see, there's the latest news and latest story. It says Mexico growth stagnation, right? They said the second news is about 5 hours ago. Trump wants a weaker dollar. Chinese says he has a point. So if you want to read about it, you can just click on it. You click the link, it's going to come up here. And in fact, it also have, but basically what this platform does is that it's like it does, for those in the engineering space, you know what is called web scripting. Basically, you connect to different sources and you're scraping like headlines. You're getting headlines from all these different sources, right? And then you list them on your platform. So whoever wants to read more about it, you just, so let's say I want to read more about this news. I click on full story and it will take me to where the source is, right? So which is, so you can see here I can read the full story, right? So that is just it. But here, I don't really need all those full story. I just need one simple step could make American economy great again. According to President Trump, it will make China great too, according to the leading. So these are politics, right? So yeah, that is one of it. And another thing, you can also join forums. You can join forums. There are a lot of forums here. Basically, forums are discussion channels, right, where people talk about their trade. And in fact, for pro trader, there's this RSI trading. Let's say I want to see what is happening on the forum. I click on it and see, you see people are sharing their thoughts, sharing their biases and everything. So that is one thing. And another thing is news. News is very important. As I said, the fundamentals control like 70% of of the movement in the market. So these are the news that currently, these are the current list of news that you might want to read. And also there's also calendar, right? They also have this calendar. Basically, calendars are the activities that would happen, within that week. So from December 28th, which is Sunday, there's no activity. Monday 29, you can see at from 1:50 a.m. Japanese. There's this, so that means you'll be hearing summary, You'll be hearing summary from the Bank of Japan, which is BOJ, call them BOJ, Bank of Japan. And also this pending hope says blah 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 blah. So these are things that you should. So CPI, there's also CPI, Chicago PMI, and also these are things that you should be looking. But I mean, all these activities will definitely move the market. Right? When this news come out, it's definitely going to move the market. So also they have this market tab. So if you click on this market tab, you can see, in fact, you can select anyone. So let's say you guys know that I do USDJPY. And the reason why I do USDJPY is because of the spread. Right? The spread is not that much. So this is the coin's price. Yeah, exactly. These are also news, for USDJPY. So these are all the news that is going to affect USDJPY. And you can also click on this more. and you see that that is like. And also brokers is not really necessary. Broker is not really important, but they have this listed list of brokers. So they don't have these are list of these are a list of brokers. Yeah. So that is what I thought to share with you guys all. Maybe if you want to create an account, no problem. You can click on this create account. And you're able to fill in your username, password, return password, email address, trading from where you're trading from, blah blah blah. So that is it. And let's get back to the chart, right? So this is my chart. This is my setup. In my last video, I said I'm currently in this trade and I'm looking forward to it, getting to this level, right? So I'm not exiting the trade. I'll still hold my trade. But that is it. Basically, there's no much. But I think if we do a review on on a daily time frame, you should see the bullish trend, right? This is currently a bullish trend. This is a bullish trend. And guys, my chart is very clean. My chart is very clean. Unlike other chart, when you open other chart, you'll be seeing a lot of indicators. So indicators are good, but they're also confusing. So you don't want to rely on indicators. You just want to rely on support, resistance, price action, and blah blah. So this is a bullish a bullish trend. It's a bullish trend. If you also look at 4 hours, you should see the same thing. It's also a bullish trend. Yeah, you see the same thing. Although you can see that it got to this level and then came back. This is like I don't, in my last video I also drew this place. So it got to the level, came back, but then it's currently heading up. So I expect it to hit this level. Um, that is it on my end, and I'm looking forward to more opportunities. And for those who are new to my channel, I'm currently creating a full course for beginners. So you might want to just subscribe, so that you can be getting a notification each time a video is uploaded. Yeah, thank you and happy new year in advance.